How to fix manual IP address setting does not connect to Wi-Fi or internet on iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen here, if we go into settings, then tap on Wi-Fi and then tap on the information button right next to your Wi-Fi. In here, if we scroll down, you can see I have configured my IP to menu, and when it is in menu settings, I cannot connect to my Wi-Fi. If I select automatic, my phone works fine by connecting to Wi-Fi right here. If I change it to menu settings, it will not work. Okay, so I have now manually configured the IP address and it's showing 4G only. So the way to fix it is to go down to DNS settings and then choose menu and tap on add server. In here we put in 8.8.4.4. This is Google server, DNS server. Tap on save. Once you've done that, you should be able to see that you can connect to Wi-Fi and browse the internet. So you should be able to browse the internet without any issues. So why does it do that? So when you set your DNS to automatic, you can see it will not work. Now when you use a manual IP, your iPhone stops trusting the router to provide DNS. The router does give you an IP, but its DNS service is broken, blocked, or unreachable, so nothing can load. When you manually set Google DNS, you bypass the router's DNS, and which means the internet will start to work. And that's why manual DNS works, but automatic DNS doesn't. So what's really happening under the hood? DHCP normally gives 4 things. When IP is automatic, DHCP, the router supplies an IP address, Subnet Mask, gateway, and DNS servers. And when you switch to manual IP, iPhone expects DNS to still be reachable, but when the router's DNS IP doesn't respond correctly, iOS refuses to fall back to anything else. And that is the reason why it will not work if you don't change your DNS to manual. And that's it. Finally, we can go back to the home screen by swiping up. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.